Welcome back, Crammers, to question 5. The diagram shows points A and B marked on a grid of squares. On the grid, draw the line with equation y equals -2. So we simply look for -2 on the y-axis, and we draw a line perpendicular to -2. M is a midpoint of AB. Find the coordinates of M. To find the midpoint, it's simply x2 plus x1 divided by 2 and y2 plus y1 divided by 2. We can see here that the x for A is -3 plus the x for B, which is 1 divided by 2. And we have y, which is 1 plus 3 divided by 2. -3 plus 1 is -2, divided by 2 is -1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. D is a point with coordinates 5D, where D is greater than 0. The triangle ABD is an isosceles triangle. Find the value of D. So, an isosceles triangle has two equal sides. Note that the x-axis is given as 5 and D is greater than 0. So that means it is somewhere along this line. D is somewhere along this line. And since these two sides have to be equal, that means side A to B has to be equal to side B to D, which means that D is 1. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.